Hello everyone, welcome to the food production class. Today we'll discuss and learn about the cream. The cream is a dairy product which is composed of the highly buttered fat layer which is get from the skimmed milk before the homogenization. The cream is slightly yellow and ivory color which is more viscous than milk. So we can say the cream is the fattier we get from the fattier part of the milk. Okay, so it's totally is the have a large fatty acids in that cream. Okay, so what are the processing, how we get the cream? Okay, the cream, as we said, that it is the get from the milk before the homogenization. Okay, in the unhomogenized milk, the fat which is the less dense, okay, will eventually rise on the top, and that industrial production of the cream, the process is accelerated by using the centrifuges and called the separators. Means we get through the separator of we can say the mechanical process, we get the cream when where that the fat layer when rise on the top of the milk. Okay, the cream have the thickening agents and the stabilizer added. Okay, thickeners like sodium, okay, agglutinin and the gelatin, okay, we can add it in that. Other processes we get carried out for getting the milk or cream. The cream has tendency to produce oily globes, means the feathering when added to the coffee. The stability of the cream may be increased by increasing the non-fat solid content, which is can done by the partial demineralization and the addition of the sodium centimeter in the which, but this the process is very expensive. Okay, so we use the get the cream from the separator. Means if you easily say when we uh, hide on the we can say when we get the rotation, we can take the example, get butter from the buttermilk. When we keep rotating on the one direction of the buttermilk, the fat get top getting the top on the layer of the buttermilk. So that's how we get the cream when we talk about when we get from the milk. So that as the processing of the cream. Now we'll talk about the types of cream. The types of cream are lots of the creams are available in the market, but the single difference between them, the different types of cream, is the balance of the water and the butter fat. Okay, that other difference they have made it made with their time of the maturing, which is give the result of the different taste. Okay, so first we'll talk about the single cream. It's contain not less than 80% of butterfat, means the minimum 80% butterfat are available in the single cream. It cannot be whipped due to their too little butter. Okay, now that we have a double cream, double cream contain not less than 45 buttermilk. It can be whipped, but not too much, as that will turn into the butter. It can be used to enrich the sauces. Okay, but it can going to double cream going to be cuddle if you boil too long too. Okay, whipping cream, it contain not less than 38% butter fat. Okay, it is perfect for whipping. That's why we can name the whipping cream. It is used in the several items, giving the texture and the. Okay, sweetened and unsweetened cream can be used in the uh, dessert, or we can whenever we make a sweet cake and pie, that we use the whipping cream. Salted cream not less than 55% of butter fat. It is already very thick. It can be used to be, okay, as directly, not going to be a whipped. Sour cream, there is the single cream which is have contain about 20% of butter fat. In the single cream that was 80%. Okay, in the sour cream is going to be a 20%, but have the we can what we're talking about, that sour cream. Sour cream is have 20% of the butter fat, which is souring culture. Means the texture we taste is going to be a bit sour and it's going to be a matured. Half and half, it is the using of the milk and the cream as a equal quantity, and the butter fat going to be 10 to 12%. So that is all about the types of cream which is available, and the use of the cream depends on the what when we using using serving coffee or hot or cold coffee, we use the cream also as an a complement. Whenever you use the fruit as base salad, we use the cream also. And decorative purpose of the cake means that the main key ingredient for the look presentable, like they can give the flavor to the cake, we use the cream in that. Okay, the storage of cream, it depends on the fresh cream must be treated in the same as a way as a fresh milk. Okay, as far as the storage is concerned, whipped cream must be covered and stored okay, in sterilized containers for the longer period. Okay, then the reconstituted the unlimited cream must be refrigerated, and the small quantity could be used whenever required to be whipped, and then we use immediately. Okay, so the cream, other cream product also, like the butter we get from the cream. Okay, when made by the tuning the cream to the separate of the butter. Okay, the sour cream again. Okay, and whipped cream we got from that. Okay, so that is all about the cream, which is we already all we discuss in that video.